Is your desk a chaotic jungle of loose post-it notes? Imagine transforming that clutter into a stunning personalized 3D organizer that actually sparks joy every time you reach for a note. In this video, I'll show you how to craft a beautiful, functional, and completely custom holder that's perfect for your crafting space, office, or even an amazing gift. This post-it note holder holds a 3x3, a mini post-it note, and you can even put a mini pen like that. And it sits and stands at your desk. How cute is that? Let me show you how. Okay, to make this post-it note holder, we're going to need a base of 10.5 by 3 3/4. And on the long side, we're going to score it 4 at 8, 9, and 10. For the box, you'll need a 7 by 4 3/4 sheet. And on the long side, we're going to score it 4 and at 4.5. We're going to rotate it. And on this side, we're going to score a 1/2 inch. And 4.5. Oh, sorry, 4 1/4. Okay, now you can see this is what the score lines look like. So this is the longer piece and there's a shorter piece here. So on the longer piece, we're going to score at 1 1/2 just to the score line. So we're going to put it back on its long side and we're going to score at 1 1/2 up to the score line, like so. And then we're going to flip it. And we're going to do the same thing, score up to the score line, 1 1/2. Okay. All right. So now we've got a 3x3. This is for the post-it note, mini post-it note. On this side, we're going to score at 1 1/4 and 1 3/4. We're going to rotate that. It's going to be at 3/8 and at 2 5/8. And it's going to look like that. Okay, now let's burnish these. So this piece here goes here, and this piece, layering piece here, is 3.5 by 2 1/4 and sorry, by 3.5 by 3, and then this one is 3.5 by 2.25. And then for the mini post-it note, it's a 2 1/16 by 1 1/16. So all right, guys, there you have it. You can see that I have made it flush here, so it sits with no issue of tipping over or anything like that. You've got a mini gel pen that I got from Hobby Lobby, or you can get it on Amazon. And you've got your 3x3, your mini post-its, and just pretty. It's cute to me. And the beauty is you can make a ton of these for every desk that you have at your house or kitchen or office for sure. Or you can make some for your office mates. It's really a cute project, and you can gift it to anybody as a present or even sell it at craft fairs. So plan on making some of these too for my craft fair this year. So hope you liked it. Go ahead and make sure you check out Tracy Held. She is the one that came up with this design. They thought the corner pieces looked really, really pretty. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this project and had found some inspiration to make your desk a little cuter, and hopefully it brings you joy when you put this and use this little post-it note holder for both the big size and the mini. So now they have their own home at your desk and no longer just aimlessly all over the place. All right, thank you guys. Have a good week, and I appreciate your time and hope to see you again soon. Bye.